like Boggle or something, because I found like the Netflix games and shit like that, and I'm like, okay, if I can show y'all the screen, which I want to play with me.
We need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
No. Thanks for the follow.
We should make a right.
I'm weak.
This spot gives me a strange feeling.
I'm dying because like I feel like that'll be the best way of me to remembering. But I'm so mad that that's basically what it is. Hey, what's up? How you been?
Ah, that's better.